I hope you are doing great. So a quick one for those of us that have been asking, how do we sell smoked catfish? So this is how we sell. We sell per kg, we sell in kg also, like we sell for live catfish, we sell smoked catfish in kgs also. So the numbers per kg will now be determined by you, the client. Some clients might say they want 5 pieces to make 1 kg. Some might say they want 2 pieces to make 1 kg. Some might say they want 15 pieces to make 1 kg. So it depends on the pieces you want. You know, the higher the pieces, the smaller the sizes. But the lesser the pieces, the bigger the sizes. So try and get that. So that is how we sell. We sell in kgs also, but the numbers of the pieces you want will now be determined by you. Some clients might say they want 5 pieces to make 1 kg. Some might say they want just 3 pieces to make 1 kg. Some might say they want 15 pieces to make 1 kg, and we sell per kg. So in case you are interested in our smoked catfish, you can slide into my DM and make your intentions known. So in case you are interested in our smoked catfish, you can send us a DM and we'll get it across to you ASAP. So that will be that for today. If you love what we're saying, don't forget to hit the like button. Click on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Kindly follow all our social media pages. That will be all for today. Thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of the day.